Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen and plays a major role in breathing. This sudden contraction is followed by the closing of your vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. Triggers can include eating too quickly, consuming hot or spicy foods, drinking carbonated beverages, excitement, or stress. Most hiccups go away on their own and are not a cause for concern. However, persistent hiccups that last for days can indicate a more serious underlying condition and require medical consultation.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.